Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. This video is about our course called Web Design and Web Development. So Learning Monkey has started a new course called Web Design and Web Development. The complete course of Web Design and Web Development has been started at the rate of Learning Monkey, and this course is freely available. It is a free course where it is a free course for web design and web development, web design and web development course at the rate of Learning Monkey. So what this course is, for whom this course has been designed, and how this course has been designed, that we will try to understand in this video. So what this course is? So this course is for those who are enthusiastic. So in this course we are going to deal the concepts which are related for the design of a website and the development of the website. So every concept which is related to the design of the website and every concept which is related to the development of the website has been clearly explained in this course. For whom this course has been designed? If you have completed your second year course, if you have completed your second year of your BTech, you are eligible to learn this. So do we need to have any prerequisites for this course? Yes. So the prerequisites that you need to have is a little bit of programming concepts and a little bit of understanding about databases. So the database concepts is very much important for you to understand this entire course. So our suggestion is, if you have completed your DBMS course, just start this course. And if you have not completed your database course, the link for the database, so that the entire course of database management system has been clearly described in our playlist, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So please go through that playlist, and in that playlist you will find the course called Database Management System. So before starting this course, please try to have some knowledge on the Database Management System course. That is the prerequisite that is required for this course. So if you have completed your second year, which means that the course of Database Management System has already been done. So based upon the assumption, we are saying that the minimum requirement for you to get the understanding of the concepts is the second year BTech. So after completion of the second year BTech after completion of your second year BTech, so this course will be very easy for you to understand. So what we are going to obtain from this course? So what we are going to obtain from this course is you can be your own, you can stand upon your own, which means that you can earn money on your own with the websites. You can develop your own website. The design of the website and the development of the website can be done, and that is done in a professional way. So the look and feel of the website will be very professional if you complete this course. If you complete this course, so the entire course is designed in such a way so that the output of the website will be very professional. We guarantee you that the output of the website will be very professional if you follow each and every video that is related to this course. And we are going to update the videos daily. So follow our video. Our suggestion for the preparation of this course is, while preparing for this course, first and the foremost point is just try to listen to the video very carefully. If you are not able to understand the concept in a single watch the video again and again so that you can get better understanding of the concept. After getting the better understanding of the concept, our strict suggestion is, please try to practice the concepts that has been discussed in the video. For this course, the practice is very much important. The much you are going to practice, the much professional you are going to be. So how this course has been designed? So this course has been designed into 6 playlists. So the entire course of web design and web development has been divided into 6 playlists. So the 6 playlists are, So these are the playlists which are related to the web design and the web development course. So the first playlist is HTML5 and CSS3. So this is the playlist where we are going to discuss about the concepts of HTML5 and the concepts of CSS3. So what this HTML5 is, to structure the web page. So in order to structure the web page, the concepts of HTML5 will be very useful. And in order to beautify the web page, in order to present the web page beautifully, so in order for the beautification of the website, the CSS course will be very useful. So the first playlist is going to cover both these courses, and the versions that we are going to have in this course is HTML5 and the CSS version is 3. Okay, so the second playlist is JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language. With the JavaScript, we are going to add intelligence to the website. So the website that we are going to have, for that web pages, for that website, we are going to add some intelligence. So your website will be able to think. So how to understand this point of intelligence is, for example, if you are going to fill a form, and in the email address form, in the form you are going to have some input text, so where we are going to give inputs. So if they are asking about email, and if you give a phone number in the email, you will be prompted that this is not the valid email address. So in the place of email address, if you give the phone number, so you will be provided with a prompt. So that prompt states that this is not a valid email. So that intelligence is provided to your website, which is done by the course called JavaScript. Okay, so in the second playlist, we are going to cover every aspect of the JavaScript in a detailed way. And the third, and in each and every course, we are going to take, in order to get the better understanding of the concepts, we are going to take a separate example for each and every concept. So in the third playlist, we are going to go for Bootstrap 4. So these are the three playlists which are related to the design. The concepts which are related to the design will be discussed in these three playlists. So the third playlist is Bootstrap 4. So the version that we are going to discuss on Bootstrap is 4, and what is the use of this course is we are going to create responsiveness to our website. So what is meant by responsiveness? For example, if you download your website, so if you are watching your website on the mobile phone, so the web pages that we have designed should be displayed on the mobile phone, should be displayed on the tab, should be displayed on the computer, should be displayed on a big screen like TVs. So on the television sets. So in order to bring that responsiveness, so as and when we move the browser, so the look and feel of the look and feel of the website should be responsive, should be good. So as the size of the browser reduces, the responsiveness of the website should be very clear. The look and feel of the website should be very clear. So that responsiveness can be obtained by using the concepts of Bootstrap 3. Bootstrap course, and the version that we are going to follow is 4. Okay, so these are the three playlists where we are going to where we are going to understand conceptually about the design aspects. Our fourth playlist is UI UX. So what this UI UX is, UI stands for user interface and the UX stands for user experience. So we are going to, so before designing the website, here we have learned the concepts individually with the examples. We are going to create dots. Now we are going to connect all those dots. The concepts that are related, that has been already explained in all these courses, will get connected with this from this playlist. So now we are going to design the interface. So how the website should look like. So the functionality will not be added here. The look and feel of the website will be designed in this playlist. How the home page should be, how the registration page should be, how the login page should be, how the user page should be, how the admin page should be. So the look and feel, the interface of your web pages, the pages that we have in our website is going to be the look and feel on the interface of the experience of the end user will be designed in this course. Okay, so the fifth playlist is going to be front end development. So the look and feel that we have created in the design aspects of UI and UX course, now this has to be realized. So for example, if you have taken a beautiful design, so that design will not work as a web page. So that has to be converted into HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So using these concepts, we have to develop the front end. Front end means the design part. The look and feel that we have created in this UI and UX has to be realized. That realization of the website is done in this playlist called front end development. So all the concepts that we have learned in the playlist 1, 2, 3 will be realized by using this front end development. By the end of this course, we are going to create a beautiful website, and we are going to guarantee you that you will be capable of designing your website on your own, and it will be very professional. That is the guarantee that we are going to provide. That is the depth of the concept that we are going to deal in our courses. Okay, so with the playlist 5, we have completed our design part. So the interface that we have visualized in the UI and UX will be realized in the front end development, which is our fifth playlist. The sixth playlist is Django. Django is a web framework of of a Python programming language. That framework will help us to create. So what this sixth playlist is, we are going to add memory to our website. So with the HTML, we are going to create the structure. CSS, we are going to create the beauty to the web page. JavaScript, we are going to add intelligence. Bootstrap, we are going to create the responsiveness of our website. So the design is done with these two playlists, and with the sixth playlist, we are going to add memory to the web pages. So what does that mean? For example, if you take your Facebook page, you will upload the videos and images, right? So where that videos and images will be stored? So we need some storage space where this content has to be stored, right? So that is done at the Facebook server. So we are going to store something on the Facebook server, and we are going to retrieve that stored data, and we are going to display that content. So that content, that memory will be created by using this our sixth playlist, which is a Django, which is a web framework of Python. Okay, so with all these 6 playlists, we will guarantee you that you are going to be a professional website designer and developer. Okay, and all these entire courses are freely available at the rate Learning Monkey, and the playlist, so the playlist page for our YouTube channel is provided in the description below. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel right now, because the updates are going to be done daily. Okay, and if you like this concept, if you are happy with this, if you like this concept, please give us a like symbol, and please share this information to your friends, so that they will be a web developer and web designer.